Good morning, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. Today I'd like to show you the brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. This is a very exciting boat, exceptional boat for a day on the bay, some light offshores, or sandbarring. Come aboard, take a look. As you enter the boat, you can see a lot of space to move around. Come up to the front, we've got a beautiful sun pad. We've got backrests here also dedicated storage below it, a cooler here in the front, also with a backrest. Got some storage here for the porta potty. And in this boat, actually, it's got a pump out head. Here we got the helm, a couple different settings for when you're fishing, for when you're operating. Raymarine GPS chart plotter, Fusion stereo. Really neat thing about these are Wi-Fi connections. Big improvement over Bluetooth. Come to the back, jump seats that fold away. You can stand here and fish. This is an awesome new motor. This is a 200 V6 from Mercury, not a 4-cylinder. This is a V6 Verado. You got your oil check, your oil fill here, very convenient. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen from MarineMax Stuart. You're looking at the 2020 Boston Whaler 21 Montauk. Thank you very much for your time. God bless.